Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a white mocha chill. Now, a white mocha chill is very much like a frap or a frappuccino. It's a blended coffee drink that you can make at home. White mocha is basically the combination of white chocolate syrup and coffee to create the white mocha flavor. Now, today what we're going to do, we're going to blend all of our ingredients in a home blender. Now, before you use your home blender, you're going to want to check your user manual just to ensure that you're using your blender properly and that it can handle this type of blending. So what we're going to need is we're going to need some milk. We're going to need a serving glass. Today we're making a 16-ounce white mocha chill. You're going to need a measuring cup, some instant coffee, some white chocolate syrup, and some maple syrup. Now, the reason we use maple syrup is because it is so thick and sweet, it actually helps to create a very smooth and consistent outcome of the texture of your beverage. So first, what we're going to need to do is measure out 1 cup of milk, and you're going to add that to your blender. Again, you can use any type of milk. You can use whole milk, non-fat milk, soy milk, whatever you decide is fine. Next, then you're going to take a 1/2 cup of your white mocha syrup, and you're going to add that into your blender as well. Once you have that in there, you're going to take a 1/2 cup of maple syrup and add that into the blender. Once you have all of your wet ingredients in your blender, you're then going to add 2 packets or 2 tablespoons of instant coffee to the top of the wet ingredients. And this is important so that the instant coffee blends well with the wet ingredients. If you were to put the instant coffee in first, it could clump on the bottom and not mix very well at all. So once you have all those ingredients in there, you're then going to measure out 16 ounces of ice and pour that into your blender. Go ahead and turn your blender on high for about 2 to 3 minutes and check the consistency to make sure that that's the type of chill that you're looking for. If you want it to be thicker, add more ice. If you want it to be thinner, add some more milk. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a white mocha chill.